Think engines are complicated? Let's break down two-stroke and four-stroke engines super quick. Alright, here's the scoop. In any engine, the piston moves up and down inside a cylinder. We've got 4 steps: intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust. Now, a 4-stroke engine takes 4 piston strokes to complete one cycle. It's efficient and has a separate oil system, so no need for mixing fuel and oil. But a 2-stroke engine? Oh boy, it completes the cycle in just 2 strokes. More power per size, but you gotta mix oil with fuel. So, which one's better? Depends on what you need. Efficiency, 4-stroke wins. Weight, 2-stroke is lighter. Power, 2-stroke packs a punch. Durability, 4-stroke lasts longer. Noise, 4-stroke is quieter. Simplicity, 2-stroke is simpler. Environmental impact, 4-stroke is cleaner. You'll find 2-strokes in chainsaws and dirt bikes, while 4-strokes power cars and motorcycles. So what's your pick? Drop a comment below, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more engine awesomeness. See you next time.